Welcome to the project demonstration of advanced and intelligent wheelchair control system for leg amputees using joystick, MEMS, accelerator and Android voice commands. In this project we are using two DC motors. Here we can see the two DC motors which is built here, which works on the 12 volts 7 amps battery. Here we can see 12 volts 7 amps battery, and also here we can see relay board which is control the DC motors, and also here we can see the RF receiver which receives the RF signals, and also here we can see the Arduino Uno board, and also using Bluetooth module. Here we can just switch to on and off the power supply, and also we can see another components. So here we can see the head. Using head we are controlling the wheelchair. In this head here we can see Arduino Nano and MEMS sensor and RF transmitter, and we are providing the 9 volts of battery. So using this head we can control the rope direction, forward side and backward side, left side and right side. In this way we will control the vehicle using this head. So using MEMS sensor it will give a values. If I rotate left side or right side, forward or backward, each side it will give a angle values. That values will be given to this nano board. Then this nano board will be given signals to this RF transmitter. So it will transmit the signal, and this signal will be received by this receiver. Here we can see the receiver. So if it is received any signal, based on the signal it will be move the directions and also go forward and reverse. And also here we can see the joystick. So using joystick we will control the wheelchair. So if I press this side, it will be go forward, backward, left and right. So using joystick also we will control the wheelchair, and also we will control this wheelchair using Bluetooth module. Here we can see a Bluetooth module. So if we want to control this wheelchair using a Bluetooth module, we have to install Bluetooth app. So first of all we have to on the power supply. If we want to control this vehicle, first of all we need to on this power supply, then only the total system will be works. So now it is in on position. So now we have to on the battery switch. So now practically we are showing head working. So if a person move head to the forward side, now it will be come forward, and if we person do the head in backward side, so it will go backward. If we rotate left side, he will tilt left side. If you want to rotate right side, you will tilt he head to the right side. In this way this head function will be works. So if we want to control using the joystick, so now backward and right side, right side, backward, forward, right side. In this way this joystick function will be works. Now if we want to control this wheelchair using the Android mobile using Bluetooth module, we have to connect this Bluetooth module to our mobile phone. So first of all we need to on the Bluetooth. After that we have to refresh. So here we can see SC05. We have to connect that one. It will ask password. We have to type 1234. Then only it will be connected. Now it is saved here. So we have to connect this SC05 using Android Bluetooth. So if we come this app, we have to connect our Bluetooth device to this app. So we have to refresh once. After that we can see here SC05. Here we can see the SC05. We have to connect that one. Now it is connected. So also here we can see the light indication of the Bluetooth. Now we have to go robot settings. So here we have to choose vocal command configuration. So here we can see vocal commands. So vocal command 1 is forward and the data is F only. And vocal command 2 is backward and data is V. And vocal command 3 is left and data is L. Command 4 data is right. Vocal command is right and data is R. If you want to stop using vocal command, so we have to set vocal command stop and data is S. In this way we have to set our vocal commands. So we have to control this wheelchair using voice commands. We have to choose vocal control. So we have to say forward, stop, 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 stop. Now we are setting vocal command as a wheelchair stop. If we giving the stop, it will be not recognizing our voice. So that's why we are changing wheelchair stop. So now we have to try again. Forward, wheelchair stop. Now it is stop. If you want to back them, backward, wheelchair stop. Wheelchair stop. Wheelchair stop. Now it is stop. If you want to rotate this one, left side, left, left, right, right. Now it will be rotate right side. Wheelchair stop. Wheelchair stop. Wheelchair stop. Now it will stop. Sometimes our voice will be not recognized based on our phone micro speaker. So based on different phones, it will be recognized. In this way, this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.